Steve Skirvin,
I'm Patty Kelly.
and this is Lola. She used to be Pow Pow.
And in Taiwanese, Pow Pow means bubbles. Just that we're very happy that we adopted her. We found her online, and I looked at those ears and said, okay, we got to go meet her.
I still don't exist.
Oh yeah, you don't exist.
Let's just start that over.
Okay.
Food over here, whatever you're hungry. And the coolers.
Well, we are absolutely thrilled to have adopted Lola. I found her online on Pet Finder and noticed that she was just at a shelter in North Bend, which is right up the road from us. And I said, we've got to go see her. So we did, and took her for a walk around the yard, and she seemed to like us. So we came back after we had all of the dog stuff, because we have no dog, we have a cat. So we got all of her dog stuff, and the next day went up and got her and brought her home. And she's been with us since April.
Yep.
And she's just a wonderful dog, a little shy at times. And we thought we were going to have a dog to protect the yard, but she barks from around the corner of the house.
She's a killer.
But she at least still lets people know that she's there. And we know she's not going to run away. She loves getting her food. The gate was left open the other day by someone who came into our yard, and she was still in the yard when we got home. So she's not going anywhere. The adoptive process was very smooth, actually. And she just had us fill out some forms and made sure that we were okay people for this lovely dog. And made sure the dog thought we were lovely people. And love about Pet Rescue is awesome, what they do. And bringing these dogs from Taiwan when, the alternative for them is just horrible.